Okay, I noticed our old kettle actually doesn't turn off after even if the water is boiled. It just stays going on. So I thought I would change it, and it can be dangerous if it burns and water evaporates and just burns empty. So I got this more for recharge. I like this, the look of it. So let's just see how it is. This is the lid. Nice. Suppose this is the base. And this is the kettle itself. So put everything back, I'll show you. So this was sellotaped here, I'll remove the sellotape. Okay, that's the way how it looks. Kind of goldish. And I'm going to put it on the, I'll first wash it inside, then boil it empty, then we will use it for the first time after that. Okay, I'll fill it up with water. This is the first boil just for the cleaning. Let's see how it is. Oh, it's boiling much quicker than the previous one. It's not even 15 seconds, it's just boiling. I put, I think, around half a liter of water in it, or 1 liter probably. 4 cups, I think I put. Yeah, 5 cups. Yeah, that's the line. 5 cups of water. That makes it 1.5 liter. And it's boiling. So now turned off, just probably 1 minute, 1.5 minutes. Now I'm going to empty this and then boil the water. That will be the one for drinking. This is just for cleaning it. Now I have put 1.5 cups in it. And did I turn it on? Let's just turn it on, yeah. Let's see how long it takes to boil this. Oh, I think 10 seconds, even less probably. So it's good if you see that your kettle is not boiling or takes a long time, just change it. These modern kettles, newer ones, are actually more efficient. I will wait that it goes automatically off. Yeah, 1 minute 20 seconds. 80 seconds it took almost. Okay, let's just tea. This is a Clippers tea, the only tea which doesn't have plastic in its making. The tea bags usually have plastic.